If fingers do not point to the speaker, former speaker, as the leader of the House, he was responsible for the appointment of Saldico. Everybody knows that it was the speaker's choice. We have to hold him accountable for that. The other House is led by Senator Chisa Escudero as Senate President, and they were able to come up with that budget, which included insertions, which included diversions of money. We have statements leading of a money trail leading to him.
There has been a lot of connivance. Congress, DPWH, even the agencies that were supposed to monitor. Congressmen and senators are told by DPWH kung saan distrito sila pwedeng magbaba with SOP. Napakaliwanag nun.
Ano nga, sa Villar, we may be putting up a new task force for the river drive and for the flood control of Las Piñas.
Lagot na Romualdez, Escudero at Mark Villar. Binuking ang mga pagkakasangkot sa anomalya ng korupsyon. Remulla at ICI binitawan ang napakalaking bomba. Halika, atin itong pag-usapan mga kaibigan.
Hindi kasi when we look at the Saldico cases, and the whole pattern that happened, it was really Saldico working with some senators that came up with a final version of the budget. And the plan was laid out there. If fingers do not point to the speaker, former speaker, as the leader of the House, he was responsible for the appointment of Saldico. Although Saldico was elected on the floor, everybody knows that it was the speaker's choice. That's why we have to hold him accountable for that.
May press briefing nitong Martes, tahimik ang kwarto, camera lights on, at may dalawang pangalan na biglang naging mas mabigat kaysa ilog sa baha: Ombudsman Crispin Remulla at ilan sa mga ICI members. Hindi ito chismis na kanto, opisyal ang tono, pero hindi pa tapos ang istorya.
The other House is led by Senator Chisa Escudero as Senate President, and they were able to come up with that budget, which included insertions, which included diversions of money from what was supposed to be to what became. So that is, if it's not criminal, then it must be negligence. It must be one of them. It cannot be completely. Nobody can be completely blameless for that.
Sir, Senator Chisa Escudero, paano na po yung investigation sa kanya?
Ongoing, we have statements leading of a money trail leading to him, narrations of fact that are there already. But of course, we want to buttress it with other evidence, which we're looking to right now. Ano nga pag wala ka makitang AMLA trail, then you have to follow a cash trail, and we will find it.
Kung walang AMLA trail, cash trail ang susundan. Linya yan sa briefing. Ang punto, may pattern, may mga insertions, may mga diversion ng pondo mula dapat sana tungo sa naging ganito. At ito ang napakalaking bomba. Bakit sina Romualdez, Escudero at Mark Villar ang nasa gitna? Romualdez, pinangalanan sa ilang testimonya sa Senate inquiry, mariing ng tinay, pero sa teorya ng accountability, ayon kay Remulla, hawak ng House ang appointments at kapangyarihan sa budget. But denial is not dismissal. Therefore, papel ng investigasyon ang maglatag ng trail at ang pagtatalaga kay Saldico. Escudero, pinuno ng kabilang kabulungan, sa ilang panahong tinukoy kung may insertion sa budget. Leadership chain ang tinitingnan, hindi sapat ang walang alam, pero kailangan ng ebidensya, hindi lang parinig. Therefore, hinihintay ang case filings. May kinalaman ba kay Saldico at ano ang kanilang pinag-usapan noon? Mark Villar, Las Piñas, Zabote River Tribe, multi-billion, may tanong sa performance at benepisyo. May conflict of interest ba? At may panawagan ng investigasyon.
Bacoor, Las Piñas area. Kasi andun yung mga lupa na nag-benefit din They're the landowners also that benefited from that. So we have to look at that also. We're forming a new task force for that. Just for Villar itself. Yung Zapote River Drive, together with the Bacoor properties that were boundaries on the rivers, dinaanan ng river. There were improvements made in that area. That's one thing that has to be looked at. Ano yun eh? Pag tigaroon ka, pag dumaan ka ron, alam mo kanilang lupa yun. Nakita mo yung river wall. Tanong mo, sino ba gumastos? Gobyerno o sila? Ganun kasimple yun. It's as simple as that. So we will determine that later on. Sa costing ng project na nangyari doon.
Ang tanong, sino ang sinasabing sasampahan ng mga kaso sa November 25? Kasama ba sila Romualdez, Escudero at Mark Villar?
There has been a lot of connivance. Congress, DPWH, even the agencies that were supposed to monitor the fund movements. No? So definitely there was total connivance, and the fact is that congressmen and senators are told by DPWH kung saan distrito sila pwedeng magbaba with SOP.
Atin itong tutukan mga kaibigan. Unang Timoteo 1 verses 14 to 15. Sagana ang kagandahang loob ng ating Panginoon sa akin. Kalakip ang pananampalataya at pag-ibig na matatagpuan lamang kay Kristo Jesus. Tapat ang pananalitang ito at nararapat tanggapin ng lahat. Si Kristo Jesus ay naparito sa mundo upang iligtas ang mga makasalanan, at ako ang pinakamasama sa kanila. Sa mundong puno ng korupsyon, pagkakamakasarili at pagkukunwari, ang hustisya ng tao ay madalas mabagal, pero ang hustisya ng ating Panginoon Diyos, ng ating Panginoon Jesus ay laging matuwid. Therefore, sa halip na tumingin lang sa mga balita ng kasalanan ng iba, lumapit tayo sa ating Panginoon at hayaan natin siya ang sumiyasat ng ating mga sariling puso. Kaibigan, ang ating Panginoon Jesus ay hindi lang Diyos ng hustisya. Siya rin ay Diyos ng pag-ibig, biyaya at habag. Hindi siya lalapit upang parusahan ka, kundi upang iligtas tayo. Kaya kung pagod ka na sa kasinungalingan ng mundo, isuko mo ang lahat sa Kanya, ang bigat ng puso, ang galit, at ang pagkadismaya mo. Purihin ang ating Panginoon Diyos at tayo manalangin. Ama naming Diyos na makapangyarihan sa lahat na nasa langit, lumalapit po kami sa iyo na may kababaang loob. Sa gitna ng kaguluhan at kasamaan ng mundo, turuan niyo po kaming mamuhay ng may katapatan at pag-ibig tulad ng iyong anak na walang iba kundi ang aming Panginoon Jesus. Linisin niyo po ang aming mga puso at ituwid niyo po ang aming mga landas. Ibalik niyo po kami sa iyong kalinga at bigyan niyo po kami ng kapayapaan na tanging sa iyo lamang matatagpuan. Pinupuri po namin kayo at pinapasalamatan, o aming Panginoon Diyos, sa inyo pong kabutihan sa amin, at patnubayan niyo po kami, at patawarin po kami sa lahat ng aming mga pagkukulang at pagkakasala, sapagat ito po ang aming samot hiling sa matamis na pangalan ng aming Panginoon Jesus. Amen.